Hello, everyone. This is Sushant, and I'm from India, and I'm the founder of Authenticated Amplifiers Hub Private Limited, and I am associated with Vick from 2020. And what I can say is he has definitely transformed my life, and also the way I think and the way I built this company itself speaks about his teachings and speaks about the techniques. Whatever he teaches you is amazing. Uh, More than that, he's a down-to-earth guy, and he also ensures we remain down to earth while we build our business on a larger note. Now, I've seen the affiliate system product right from uh, I can say is right from the starting stage, the pilot stage um, where I've seen it is being developed in e-stage platform. And uh, what I can say about affiliate business system is it's not just like any other program, or it's not just like any other module. There are gazillion products in the market. What separates the affiliate business system with the rest of the products is affiliate business system helps you to build not just a smaller portion of commission, but it builds you to build affiliate empire. What I'm trying to say is you're building your affiliate empire rather than just one sort of a commission. And Vic is the right set of a person to mentor you and to take your business and scale your business 3x or 10x. He's a sort of a guy where if you are just traveling in a economy flight, he's taking you in a private jet. So you can definitely now guess about um how much of advantage you have associating with the 4% community and being part of the journey of success and being part of this affiliate business system. So I am excited. I'm super excited. We Our company is definitely gonna uh, promote affiliate business system, and I'm sure we will try to impact a larger set of a community, and we will also ensure everyone wins the race. So that's about it. Thank you so much, and um, don't just think much. Just join and subscribe to the 4% community and purchase the affiliate business system. Thank you.